Ladies and gentlemen, nowadays we can see a lot of people who coming from a very fertile and potential land go abroad or even try to find a fortune cookies for this from the village with potential and go away from this village and try to find the fortune cookie inside a city or even the other global cities, right? Ladies and gentlemen, this kind of background is actually why we want to avoid this, and we want to optimize what is actually potential from this village, from these non-urban places, ladies and gentlemen. Why it should be developing countries that should adopt this, ladies and gentlemen. We see that based on the status quo, we can see that every single developing countries has a potential in agricultural sectors, maritime sectors, or in tourism sectors, ladies and gentlemen. For example, Indonesia is known as agriculture and also maritime country, right? It is actually the basic and fundamental need of society if they want to fulfill their need of goods, for example, and they want to fulfill the basic need of every single necessity of you to believe in this kind of world, ladies and gentlemen. We have because it's supported by heavy in Indonesia, we can see that this kind of food shortage is supported by heavily populated land, right? Like Indonesia has a lot of people who need this kind of foods and who needs this kind of sources that should be provided by this kind of fertile and also potential land, right? If we are actually still promoting the urbanizations, we can simply ignore this kind of needs and we can simply further the food shortage, and also we lost the fertile land which is unoptimized, ladies and gentlemen, and the private company will simply take this, and some of them is actually coming from a foreign country, right? So it will actually also deny the sovereignty of the country when you're actually leaving this under control of this kind of specific regulators like Malaysia, Singapore, or something or another country, ladies and gentlemen. What the urbanization so bad? Why urbanization is so bad, and what urbanization that we want to meet in this debate? The urbanization that we want you to understand is actually a movement of human resources, a more qualified land and potential land to the city who is actually promising you a glorious life. What? But actually, this is not supporting this. Our stand is very clear, ladies and gentlemen. We want to discourage this kind of urbanizations because we want to maximize and optimize the urban area to be more optimized and to support the life of society, right? This is actually the stance of the opening government, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, this is actually why we want to discourage them. We want to discourage them by mentally discouragement, ladies and gentlemen. When this will be explained further in my substantive point. What is actually heavily adopted we want to define here? We want to impose the policies, but the policies that is supported by the government and also actively supported by entities who concerned with this, ladies and gentlemen. For example, educational system and also the farmer itself, organization of farmer, cooperation, and UMKM minister, ladies and gentlemen. How we can really achieve this, ladies and gentlemen? But the first thing, how we can achieve this is actually we can incentivize the farmer and fishermen and also every single who need being incentivized by the government to be incentivized, to provide a betterment toward their kind of production, for example, toward their kind of catch, for example, and this is good, ladies and gentlemen. Second of all, we want to give them train to be a good land management or to be a good fisherman, ladies and gentlemen. This kind of supervision and also support by the government is justified because we want to also collaborate with educational ground. Why? We want to encourage the people who also to be involved. We want to encourage the graduated people who coming from this village to go back to develop the village, because if they are actually coming to the higher educations by the scholarship from the government, we want to give them an encouragement, and this is justified because the money of the study is coming from the government. We want to encourage them to come back to the village to do the betterment towards the village and stop this kind of urbanization by promoting the good of the land and to uphold the potentials of the land itself, ladies and gentlemen. What is the example of this kind of thing? What is the substantive of the opening government? I have the substantive here. The first is nature of the government and why it can discourage them mentally, and the second of all, why urbanization should be discouraged in the first place, ladies and gentlemen. Why the nature of the government is good, nature of government intervention is good, and why this can discourage them mentally, ladies and gentlemen. We can see that if the government is more concerned toward this kind of people who live under the poverty, for example, or not need to be more concerned by the government, this society will think that the government is actually the agents. They can support this, no, like it. the agents, they can support them, and they will think that government is support them directly, ladies and gentlemen. Because on the status quo, we can see that actually the government is still ignorant toward the case of these people and toward the case of the organization itself. We want to show the people who live under this potential country, potential land, to be more understanding that government has something to do, and government has care also about you, and will encourage them that actually our potential land should be maintained also, and we are helped by the government. This is enough to help them mentally and to help them gain the trust from the society, the government to get the trust from the society. Yes.
The problem is not like this. Status quo nowadays, government has focused on this potential land because of the people who go to urbanization area is not those people farmer and fishermen.
Ladies and gentlemen, even if the people who is coming from to do the organization is not all of the fishermen are also the farmer itself, but some of them and also many number of them is still the people who is potential to be the good one, right? Because they are actually coming from the scholarship itself, they are coming from the educated one, right? They are actually living the land. This is not really good, ladies and gentlemen, because they are actually the one who really need to develop this, right? This is why we encourage them to still in the village and to develop this kind of village, ladies and gentlemen. This is the proposal coming from the government. We want to be educated one to maintain the potential land, So it will increase the number of the potential, and also food or also supply that will be happening on the status quo and also in the society. Second substantive, why urbanization should be discouraged, even we are actually not proposing, why we are proposing this kind of mechanisms. We see, ladies and gentlemen, the urbanization will decrease the number of potential human resources to manage the land, as I told you, right? Because there's a lot of educational people who will try to, pursue the opportunity inside this glorious city, but they actually fail to do so, ladies and gentlemen. They will lose the agents of the government, which is potential to manage this kind of land, right? This is why we have to regret, and also we have to discourage the number of urbanization happening, ladies and gentlemen. We can see that if we are actually, because they are actually the one who knows what is land did, right? If they just simply go away, who will be the one or the agents who are actually managing this kind of land, and this land will be wasted or even simply acquisition by this kind of foreigner, and this is also harming the sovereignty of the country of Indonesia. Is that what is happening over the status quo? And also, we will back to the destination city, which is harm the and also there's a lot of things that we have to go inside. So that's why we propose the motion.